How to check Reel Insights on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can check Reels Insights on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you have a professional or a creator account. You can view your account insights, but you want to view the insight of a specific reel as to how many accounts it has succeeded in engaging, how many likes, comments, post feeds, shares, and so on. Well, you can figure that out if you have a professional account. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go ahead and simply launch the Instagram application. And then once you launch the Instagram app, you just want to come to your profile tab from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then just navigate to the Reels tab and then open the reel that you want to view the insight of. So in this case, I'll just select this reel right over here. Once I select this reel, what you want to do is just tap on the three dots right next to this, as you could see over here. Once you tap on the three dots here, you'll find the option called View Insights, right? And so go ahead and then just tap on the View Insights option. As you tap on the View Insights option, here you'll be able to see all of the views, likes, comments, shares, saves, accounts reached, content interactions, profile activity, the account reached, and also on the audience retention, as well as to how much audience is actually watching till the end of this video. And you have impressions from your home page, from your profile page, or from others page. You also have content interactions, you have profile activity, and ads as well. And this is simply how you can view your Reels Insights on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.